Hey there! Struggling with your TV picture? You're in the right place. Today we're diving into the nitty-gritty of how to fix TV signal problems on LG TVs. Whether it's pixelation, buffering, or a sudden blackout on your favorite channel, these signal issues can be frustrating. Fret not. We're here to guide you through simple steps to restore your TV picture quality and enjoy an unbroken viewing experience. Step 1. Check cable connections. First things first, one of the most common culprits behind signal issues is a loose or faulty cable. Start by examining all cable connections to your LG TV. Ensure that all cables connected to your TV, such as the HDMI, coaxial, and power cords, are securely plugged in. If a cable appears worn or damaged, replace it immediately. For those using a cable box or satellite receiver, check the connections there too. A secure connection can often resolve signal problems instantly. Step 2. Reposition your TV antenna. If you're using an external antenna, the position and placement matter significantly. Try adjusting the antenna to improve signal reception. It's often best to place the antenna near a window or higher up to eliminate obstructions. A slight shift in direction or elevation can dramatically enhance the signal quality. Remember to rescan for channels after making adjustments to ensure your channel list is up to date. Step 3. Perform a channel scan. Lost some channels? A simple channel scan on your LG TV might solve the problem. Go to your TV's menu, select Settings, and navigate to the Channels or Broadcasting section. Choose Auto Tuning or Channel Scan and let your TV do the work. This process allows your LG TV to locate and store available channels or frequencies, potentially resolving any gaps or signal-related hiccups. Step 4. Check signal strength. Many LG TVs come with an inbuilt feature to check signal strength. Navigate to the Settings menu and access the Channels or Broadcasting option. Next, look for signal strength or signal quality. If your TV only displays 1 or 2 bars, your signal may be too weak. In that case, consider options like an antenna amplifier or upgrading to a more powerful antenna for better reception. Step 5. Use a signal booster. If you've tried all the above steps yet still face difficulties, investing in a signal booster might be your solution. These devices amplify the signal coming into your home and significantly improve the picture quality on your LG TV. Be sure to choose a compatible booster that matches your antenna type and frequency needs. Step 6. Update your TV software. Outdated software can sometimes cause compatibility issues, affecting your signal reception. To update your TV software, navigate to the Settings menu, select About This TV, and choose Software Update. Ensure your TV connects to the internet and let it search for available updates. Installing the latest software can resolve many glitch-related issues, including signal problems. Fixing your TV signal problems on LG TVs might seem daunting, but with these strategies, you're well equipped to tackle the challenge. From ensuring solid cable connections and adjusting your antenna position to performing channel scans and even considering hardware updates like a signal booster, each step contributes to clearer and more enjoyable viewing. Regular maintenance, including checking for software updates, will also keep your LG TV performing at its best. By following this guide on how to fix TV signal problems on LG, you'll enhance your viewing experience and say goodbye to those annoying interruptions. Enjoy effortless and uninterrupted screen time ahead.